surprising find in a dresser drawer, paid for the dresser. Be sure to keep watching to find out what it was, and also watch to the end for the longer-awaited return of the comment section. So when I saw this beautiful dresser, I had to buy it. It is a gorgeous vintage Kent Coffey piece in great condition. It definitely does need to be restored though, because it has lots of scratches all over and some chip veneer, but otherwise it doesn't have any damage and it is stunning. For all you paint haters out there, don't worry, I am not gonna touch paint to this piece. I am going to restore this to its original beauty. If you would like to see the process, just keep watching. So I bought this dresser for $30 at my local thrift store. It also came with a full bed frame, the headboard, footboard, and the metal bars things. Hi. It also came with a beautiful hanging mirror to go behind it. So a really nice set here, and I am so excited about being able to restore this. It's like different. It is certainly one of the more random things I've found in drawers. That's gross. With furniture flipping, I found a lot of different things behind drawers, including car titles, screws, nails, even a syringe with needles. You just never know what you're gonna find. Got some nice clothes in here. So it may be a little strange, but those clothes that I found in that drawer, I looked through them, they were workout clothes. I went through them, the good ones in good condition and good brands I kept. Threw them in the washer, washed them. The other ones I'm gonna be donating, some of them I threw away. But I ended up with some decent ones, and something that I've been doing for several years now is I've been reselling clothing on Poshmark. Poshmark is a place where you can sell used or new clothing, and I've had very good success selling stuff on there. Not that I've made a lot of money or anything, but it's been a way that I've been able to sell some of my old clothes or flip clothes. Sometimes I'll find cheap clothes at the thrift store for really cheap and resell them because they're really, you know, nice brands or brand new and really expensive clothing. So I end up with 4 sports bras. 2 of them are Nike brands. The one is a nicer brand, not like big name brand though, and it seems to be in like new condition. Looks like it's hardly been worn. Ended up with a Nike dry fit little compression short and then some biker shorts. These look to be like almost brand new. And then I end up with 4 workout t-shirts and Razorbacks. So if you're not familiar with Poshmark, it is a online platform that you can sell new and used clothing. I've been using it for several years now. So it's really simple. All you do is take pictures of the clothing. If there's any flaws, you be sure to, you know, put it down in the description box and list the size and the brand and all that. Really simple. And then you just wait for it to sell. When someone buys it, Poshmark sends you a shipping label. You put it on the package and ship it in the mail and get paid. Super easy. So I'm going to be reselling these. They should sell pretty well because it's early in the year. A lot of people are, you know, New Year's resolution and all. So anyways, I'm going to be listing those on Poshmark to resell them. And I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I can pay for this dresser from these clothes that I found in the drawer. Can you show him your tractor? He loves his tractor shirt. I listed all those clothes this morning, and I already sold one. I sold a bundle of the sports bras. So I made a total of 7 something on them. I don't remember exactly the amount. So I have these packaged up. I have my shipping label printed out, and I'm gonna be shipping that out in the mail tomorrow. So already made money on this furniture flip. So anyways, good deal. So now the real work begins, and I grabbed my Dewalt hand sander and began sanding off all of the old finish. In the inlays in the drawers, I had to sand by hand with some sandpaper. Thankfully, it didn't take me too long to get it all sanded down. Then I gave everything a really good cleaning and grabbed this dark walnut stain, stained all of the drawer fronts and the dresser frame. Now it's time to seal it, and I'm going to be using Varathane's water-based polyurethane, and I applied 3 coats to everything. We're getting really near the finish line on this piece, and my little helper helped me out by installing the hardware onto the drawers. I also had to make some minor repairs to the drawer runners. A couple of the nails had come out and one of them had to be re-screwed on. So this is the headboard and the footboard. I also have the metal rails that go with this. So I've cleaned this headboard up really well. It had a bunch of grease. It kind of took some of the finish off when I was trying to clean it. I was kind of scrubbing it, trying to get that grease off there. But otherwise it's in pretty good shape. But I am not going to be sanding these just because this is going to be really hard with the curve and the round spindles. So I don't want to sand this. So I'm going to be using Restore Finish in color Walnut. I already used it on the footboard just to see if it was going to work or not. And it works really well. Obviously it's not perfect, but it does work pretty well in restoring the look, the old finish look, instead of having to sand it and restain it and seal it. So this is much easier. So I'm going to be using it on this. Hopefully it's going to clean all this finish parts up and make it look good as new. So, okay. I applied 1 coat of the Restore Finish to the headboard and the footboard. Really worked out really well in restoring the old finish. I'm so glad I didn't have to sand it all and restain it. This was a great option to making it look fresh and new. The mirror was in great shape and all I had to do was give it a good cleaning. So here's what the headboard used to look like, and here it is now. And just a quick reminder of what the dresser used to look like. And after quick staging, here it is now. And I absolutely love how it looks. The wood really pops out now and it looks absolutely stunning. Well, it has certainly been a minute since I've had a furniture flipping video, and I'm very glad to get back to it. Since having a baby, I haven't had much time to work on projects or film, but I'm really glad to finally have this piece done. I started this months ago. I finally got back to it and finished this piece up. Really glad to have it done. It looks really nice. Really nice piece. When I bought this thing, I didn't realize how valuable it was. I looked it up online. Identical piece is for sale for like $3,000. And for the headboard, I found one online for $1,200. There's the mirror too. So anyways, I bought this whole set for $30. So these are really nice pieces of furniture, really good quality, and they're in really good condition for their age. So anyways, very excited about that. Like I said, I bought these for $30. And as you saw in the video, the stuff I found in the drawer actually paid for the dresser. It didn't pay for the complete set, but I was able to sell those clothes, and I sold a couple bundles of them. So I made a total of $21.15 off the clothes. And I still have one article of clothing for sale. It's for, I should make about $4 when that sells. So that would be about $25 worth of clothes that were left in the drawer that I was able to sell. So I paid $30 for the set, and to redo it all, it didn't cost me very much, just sandpaper, stain, and sealer. So I figured generously $10 to redo these. Really, it didn't cost me that much. Anyway, so that's a total of $40 to buy and redo these pieces, and I have them listed on Facebook Marketplace for $850. Baby was being a little fussy in the background, so she wanted to join us. If you haven't already met my little girl, this is Jordan River. I was just gonna help her show her off. Anyways, so now let's get into the comment section. It's been a while since we've done this, but I've gotten some good comments since then. So the first comment I'm gonna read is regarding to a video I did on how much money I made furniture flipping last year. Lori Bartling says, well done, thanks so much for sharing this info. It really helps when you're just starting out. You're such a pleasure to watch. You're a natural and so rare on YouTube and social media these days. Thanks for being yourself because you're awesome. Just discovered your channel and subbed straight away. Looking forward to lots more projects. So thanks for that. Oh dear. She's really tired. Hasn't napped today. Eli Books says, I'm not sure why so much primers. I've been asking this question before. Why none of this furniture flippers get a work table? Why always on their knees, bending, lifting, etc.? I don't get it. By the way, your husband was doing most of the work. If you're not familiar with redoing furniture, sometimes you have to use primer, which helps the tannins of the wood from bleeding through. That's why a lot of people use primer. And also, my husband did not help me that much on that furniture. He helped me hold a board up so I can nail it. That's not doing it all. So then my last comment is from James Palomara. Absolutely loved how simple yet thorough you were in your presentation. Turned out beautifully. Just wondering why in your incredible home you have left the walls all bare and white only. It seems such a shame why you don't try out some of the Umbra painting techniques on YouTube, or if you're a renter, removable wallpaper. There are caulk paint or removable wallpaper with kid prints one can color on, then wipe off promptly. It's amazing what can be done for interior design solutions and bring depth and character into any space in a cheap and easy DIY way. Whether renting or owning, I have even brought my removable wallpaper from one home to another with amazing effects each time. I'm an interior designer, 6 generations of them, so I really know what I'm talking about, and I think you would appreciate that suggestion hugely, so I thought I'd share. Good luck on your future projects, and again, thank you and your very humble mother for your direction in this video. So that comment was from a video of when I dyed the couch. I didn't have a picture above the couch yet. I couldn't find one that I thought really went well with it, so that's why that wall was bare. I just find it so funny, like people will go out of their way to write a really long comment like that just to tell you that you need to decorate your house better. So I did finally find a picture to go above the couch there on that wall. It just is really hard to find anything that I was looking for, and the picture I settled on I really didn't even really love that much. But anyways, thanks for that comment, I guess. Anyways, I'm gonna get this little girl down for a nap because she's exhausted. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm so glad to be back to furniture flipping, and hope you guys will stay tuned for some future videos because I've got some exciting projects coming up. So, see you later. Yeah. You guys smile? Show everybody how you smile. Smile really big. Smile. There you are. Anyways, see you guys later.